We're going to do hammer rows. If you're a little bit of a wider person, you have to use a wider bar because you need to keep your elbows inward and your hands straight, okay? You don't want to be like this or like this. You got to be comfortable, everything straight and lined up. If you're a little narrower, there's this bar here. And for him, the perfect bar is this one for his width, his body type. So we're going to demonstrate with that bar. Have a seat, put your heels on the bottom of the plate. Go ahead, grab the bar, hold it nice and tight. You want these things pointed upwards. Straighten out your legs where they're just slightly bent. Sit up nice and straight, okay? Chest up. Look at his back. It's perpendicular to the floor. Solid. Abs are tight. Now, elbows inward. You're going to come back and squeeze that upper back. Here we go. We're going to squeeze that upper back. Elbows inward. Bam! His hands, I want them to go to about the center of the stomach, right there. Head is nice and straight. He's looking straight. And he's not doing a canoe deal here, okay? He's not leaning forward and then pulling in. You can injure your lower back with this. So keep up strong, abs tight, core nice and tight, look straight. Breathe in on the way out, blow out on the way in. And make sure you roll those shoulders back and squeeze that upper back.